Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Accord backup camera. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll need a few basic tools, including a trim removal tool and a 10 mm socket. Begin by opening your trunk and carefully removing the interior trim panels to expose the camera's wiring and mounting location. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips. Once you have access, locate the electrical connector attached to the old backup camera. Carefully disconnect this wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling it apart. Next, you'll find two small mounting bolts, typically 10 mm, securing the camera to the vehicle. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these bolts, allowing you to free the old camera from its housing. Now, take your new backup camera and carefully position it into the opening. Align the mounting holes and reinsert the two 10 mm bolts, tightening them securely but without over-torquing. Once the camera is physically mounted, reconnect the electrical wiring harness. Ensure the connection is firm and clicks into place to prevent any future issues with power or signal. Before fully reassembling, turn on your Honda Accord and shift into reverse to test the new camera. Verify that the image appears clearly on your display screen. If everything looks good, proceed to reinstall all the interior trim panels and the trunk liner you removed earlier. Make sure all clips and fasteners are properly secured for a clean, finished look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.